Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my zero waste store business plan template using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into my zero waste store business plan template, some of the updates that I've made, again, using artificial intelligence. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to the Zero Waste Store business plan template is that I actually added a space holder for the logo. So when you do open up the template, the title page, which you'll see, it'll say Zero Waste Store. And then under that, it'll have a placeholder for the logo. Now you can go ahead and keep this logo, or you can go ahead and replace it with your company logo, completely up to you. But at least now there is a spot to put your logo, and it's just now pretty much a plug and play. The second update that I made to the template is that I expanded the service offerings. So before I just had a bullet point where it said, service one, product two, product three, product four. And so what I've done now is I've made the template more versatile. So the introduction is just, pretty much straightforward. I'm saying, you're going to be servicing zero waste products. But now what I've given you is you are able to now choose which products that you're going to be offering at your location. Is it sustainably sourced meat? Is it organic vegetables and fruits? Is it eco-conscious beverages, natural personal care products? So whatever services, whatever products you're going to be offering, I now have a foundation for you to build upon for your business plan. And the final update that I made was updated the industry research. As we all know, having updated industry research is just absolutely critical for any business, especially for the grocery store, supermarket store industry. So what I've done is I went ahead and I accessed my IBIS World account, and I accessed the report for supermarkets and groceries. And now the zero waste store, that is a subsection of the supermarket store. It's more of a niche, but it's still under that umbrella. And since the zero waste stores are such a small segment of the industry, that there's no subset information available. So we have to go with the broader umbrella, which is again the supermarket and grocery stores. With that said, I did access that report, updated the revenues, the profits, profit margins, businesses, employment, and the wages. All that good information is updated. It's properly cited in a footnote. So that's, again, like I said, all ready to go as well. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and now wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.